and live stuff.
Yeah. Let me see. Oh, you got it off right now?
What?
The camera.
Yeah, it's off right now. I haven't turned it on today. I want to, while everything's big and bumping, I want to be moving this shit. Like, I'll film your race with the camera, you know what I mean? Or if there's a fight or something that breaks out, I turn the camera on. Yeah. I'm going to be filming a lot less stuff with my camera until I can live stream with it.
Well, I got a lot of people asking Let me see something. Oh shit, that's what they was talking about. I ain't know who the hell they was talking about.
They got sideways.
Keith Eccles. Okay. I know somebody. Yeah, that's the alternator boat. Yeah, that's the alternator boat.
Ooh, that's a little warm.
Let me see.
It's a little warm.
Oh, here, get it back.
He said it's a little warm.
You said a little.
Gotta get water.
Hey. We got this vet coming up back here, y'all. Yeah, parts falling off.
Say, look out now.
Look out. What's up with it, man? Hey, let me see if you got some.
Can't weigh in on this.
Let me see. I don't want to hear it.
Man, you don't want to hear it?
Oh, no.
You talking about, oh, no.
Oh,
you
no.
talking about, oh, no. You tripping. So when I roll this up and you hit it?
Yeah.
Hey, keep that, oh, no. Keep that.
Wait a minute.
Keep your same. Ain't no, wait a minute. Keep your
Oh,
same.
no, wait a minute. You just had it sitting out.
Nah, keep your same. You finna smoke, you finna
go. Okay, all right, bet. Let me see. I'm gonna see what it is in a minute, y'all. Hey, y'all, my boy, he ain't got. Hold on, man. Yo, man, that shit ain't even loud, y'all. Oh shit. Infinity for the win. Hey, man. These dudes back there, they got some quad. Damn, wait a minute, that vet sound radical than a mother. Wait a minute, hold on, y'all. Ooh, this one of them bad bitches right here. Yeah, this one of them ones that done spent everything, y'all. He just left it in the shop. Keep working on it. I want all the horsepower you guys can pull out of it. Oh, he with AMP too? Yeah, he went straight to the shop, dropped it right off. I need everything. Ooh, he even got the sticker on the side. Wait a minute, yeah. He got the sticker on the side. He for real, y'all. He done spent everything, y'all. Look, everything. Damn. This bitch, I know it's finna run. I already know. It's a Z06 too. Boy, this thing here, watch this. I already know it. This here Yello Belly, y'all. Yes, this Yello Belly. For the people that's watching on my TikTok channel, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We live right now in HD widescreen, man. Y'all come on over here. That thing breathing fire down there. That thing breathing fire. I knew it was. He couldn't hold it really. He couldn't hold it. Whoever that, yeah, he got that Sam Miller tune. He couldn't hold that mug. I'm telling y'all. I already knew it was gonna be maxed out. Yeah, I need everything. What is your highest stage? Yeah, I'm gonna need that with an extra cold air intake. Stage 5, yeah. I'm gonna need stage 5.5. Yeah, man, he broke loose down there. Let me see. I'm gonna go back here and see what else in the lane, y'all. Let me show y'all what else in the lane. Damn. They got this thing over here trying to, I don't know what this is. Yeah, I'm gonna need a stage 10 with the extra tune. The extra super. Yeah, we're gonna need the extra super pulley on it. Tuned by Sam. Look out, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel?
I've seen you before.
Oh, you have? Already. What about you?
No.
Okay, this your first time? You having a good time so far? Already. She subscribed on the YouTube channel. She been looking out one time for the one time, y'all. Y'all check me out, man. We got them up here. I got somebody on your Instagram. Yeah, I got two people. Yeah, 2 of them on your Instagram. Which truck finna win? Look like that right, left. Ooh, right line. Right line for the win, y'all. Right line. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all on my YouTube channel? Y'all on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing?
Oh yeah, I actually already follow you.
Oh, you do?
I do.
Already, I appreciate it, man. It done reached around to him, y'all. Look out, let them feel that LSA. For my people on TikTok, y'all, check out my YouTube channel. I got it in HD, no filters, widescreen. Plus, I'm asking nicely. Hey, trying to get me a new subscriber.